friends, Aradhya here. How are you all? What shall we do today? Let's do some crafting. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an origami fox. With this origami orange paper. Do you all know the meaning of origami? Origami means folding paper. Let's start. First, you need to fold it like an triangle. Next, you need to fold it over the triangle's top to here. Then you will see this paper piece and then you fold it here. Like this. And you need to do the same thing over here. Then you need to flip it around. Then you need to take any pencil or marker or color. Then you need to draw the eyes. The eyes. And then you will draw the second eye. And then you draw the nose. Origami Fox. So, did you enjoy it, making an origami fox? I know you enjoyed it a lot. Bye bye, see you next time.